In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in DevCheck, like that. Then download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flash to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!